In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clone a project in Base44 quickly and easily. This is a really useful feature if you want to duplicate an app, create a backup, reuse an existing setup, or build a new version of a project without starting from scratch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Base44 workspace and go to the Apps area. This is where all of your projects and apps are listed, so take a moment to find the one you want to duplicate. Once you've located the project or app you want to clone, click on it to open it. After the app loads, look for the dashboard icon, which is usually at the top center of the screen. Click that dashboard icon to access the main project controls. From there, select Settings and then click App Settings. This will take you into the configuration area for that specific app. Now scroll down on the right side until you find the Clone App section. This is the option Base44 uses to create an exact copy of your current project. When you see it, click Create Copy. Base44 will automatically generate the duplicate for you, and in just a moment, it will redirect you straight into the new project. At that point, you'll have a cloned version of your original app that you can edit, customize, or use as a fresh starting point. This is especially handy if you want to test new ideas without affecting the original version, or if you need to build multiple variations of the same project. So to recap, open your Base44 workspace, go to Apps, select the project, open the dashboard, go to Settings, then App Settings, scroll to Clone App, and click Create Copy. That's all it takes to duplicate a project in Base44. If this video saved you time, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.